Hello children. In algebra, factoring or factorization is a remarkable tool. With the help of that, we can factorize, especially quadratic equation and more complicated expressions. Because in solving most of the concepts, we need equations. To simplify equations, we need factorization. Then in today's class, we will see how to factorize. Okay children, before we could factorize the algebraic expressions, first we shall try to know some basic terms. One among them, the well-known one, is a natural number. What is natural number? The counting numbers which begin at 1 and increment to infinity are called natural numbers. We know it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and it continues up to infinity. These counting numbers only we say what? Natural numbers. Okay. Then factor. A factor is one of two or more numbers that divides a given number without remainder is called a factor. Simple thing. For example, the factor of 6 or what? Even it can be 6 because 6 by 6 exactly can be divisible. Then 3, 2 or even 1. So therefore children, these we say what? Factors of the given number. Once again, look at what is a factor. A factor is one or two or more numbers that divides. For example, if you take 6, 6 has got 6, 3, 2, 1. Those we say what? Factors of this number. So that's why divides a given number without remainder. If you take this 6, take this factor 6 itself, 6 by 6, 1, remainder is 0. So without remainder, if you take 3, 3 by 6, 3 6 are 2, remainder 0. That's why without remainder, then only those numbers are what? The factors of given number, the original number. Prime number, another familiar term to us, prime number. What is prime number? A number which can be divided exactly by itself and one only is called a prime number. Which are those? 2, 3, 5. Can it be 6? No. 6 can be divisible by 2, even by what? 3, therefore no. Next it comes 7 and then 8, no, 9, no, 10, no, 11, 12, no, 13, etc. These numbers we say what? Prime numbers. Hence be very clear, those numbers will be divisible only by themselves or by 1. 2 is divisible only by 2. 3 only by 3 or by 1. And what is the speciality of the prime number 2? 2 is the only even prime number. Hence, once again, just we shall recall prime number, a number which can be divided exactly by itself and one only is called a prime number. Prime factor. Factor we know. Okay, what is prime factor? If the factor is a prime number, then that we say what? Prime factor. A factor that is a prime number. For example, if you take 6, the factors of 6 are 6, 3, 2, 1. But here 6 is not a prime. Okay children, if it is a prime, then this is called 3 is a prime factor, 2 is a prime factor, 1 is neither prime nor composite. That is a special case that we know. Okay, now a factor that is a prime number is a prime factor. Example, what about the prime factor of 10? The prime factor of 10 are 2 and 5. 2 and 5 like that. Therefore, the prime factors of 2 are 2, 5 such numbers. What about 2? It is a prime. 5 a prime. Therefore, prime factor, a factor that is a prime number is prime factor. Factors of algebraic expression. A factor can be, in case of algebraic expression, the factor can be what? A number or variable or a term or longer expression whose product results the original expression. For example, children, now let us take 5x into x plus 1. Here, which are the factors of this expression? 5, x, even x plus 1. Okay, therefore, it may be a number in case of algebraic expression. What you call factors of algebraic expression? It may be a number or variable or even longer expression, and the product of all these will result the original. Then such we say what? Factors of algebraic expressions. I hope it is clear. Once again, natural number, factor, prime number, prime factor, factors of algebraic expression. We have two more important terms. Okay, children. Next, another important term is irreducible factor. What is the irreducible factor? An irreducible factor is a factor. Now we are very clear about factor. In the factorization of a polynomial that cannot be factored any further. Simple example, if you take 2x into x plus 3 into x plus 3, here which are the irreducible factors in this case means 2x and x plus 3. These we say what? Irreducible factor. Why? 2 cannot be further reduced into some more. So that's why such numbers, such factors, we say what? Irreducible factor. In factorization, these are very important. Then what do you mean by factorization? Factorization is nothing but the way of expressing, writing a number or expression as the product of two or more factors. This is the one we are going to solve many problems on factorization. Now just one simple example. How to factorize this 2 or 10xy can be factorized as what? 2 into 5 into x into y. So this is what? Writing a number or expression as a product of two or more factors. Here 10xy can be written as 2 into 5 into x into y. This is what in simple way we say what? Factorization. Okay. Then common factor. That's very important, children. One more important basic concept is what? Common factor. The same factors of two or more numbers or expressions are called common factors. Let us take for example, if you take 10xy, the prime factors of 10xy, what are the factors means 2 into 5 into x into y. Let us take another one, what? 2x, or let us take some 4x. 4x. This can be written as 2 into x. Now, what about the common factor? Therefore, common factor in this here we have 2. Okay, children. Therefore, 2 is a common, then x is common. Therefore, 2 into x, 2x. 2x is the common factor between these two, 10xy and 4x. Hence, just know the meaning. Common factor, the same factor. That means now this will be divisible by this. Even this will be divisible by this. Such one. Same factors of two or more expressions. Same factors of two or more expressions. We say what? Common factor. Now we shall go for factorization. Yes, children. Problems. Find the common factors of the given terms. Okay, we shall take the first one. Now, 12x 36. First we shall factorize 12x. While you factorizing, take only the numerical. No need to take the variable, because here the variable is already in very simplest form, that is x, in the irreducible form. Now, this is how we are factorizing. Since this is what 12 an even number, it will be divisible by a prime number known as what? 2. 2 6 are, 2 3 are. Next. So therefore now this implies 12x can be written as what? 2 into 3 into x. So therefore here what is done? We have factorized nothing but this is split into its irreducible prime factors 2 into 2 into 3 into x. If you multiply you will get this. So these are the factors. Next 36. 2 18s are 36. 2 18s are 2 9s are 3 3s are. Thus now 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then how to get the common factor? Therefore, this implies common factor in these two cases. Very simple. Take these two and these two common. Here we have even 3 common. Therefore, common factor is now 2 into 3. What about x? No. What about one more 3? No. For this 3, no pair. So therefore, to be common means just the same. 2, 3, 3. No x, no one more 3. Thus, common factor of 12x and 36 is what? 2 into 3, 12. Hence, when we divide this by that common factor, it will be, okay, without remainder can be divisible. What about this 36? Yes. So therefore here 12 ones are, 12 threes are, like that it can be. Hence this is how the beginners, okay, we in the beginning we know. Then gradually we will control some other approaches also. So this is how we have find out the common factor. The meaning of common factor we know. Common say numbers. Now let us take one more sub number 2. 2y. It is already in the irreducible form. No need to further factorize. 22xy. 22xy. What about x? It is in the irreducible form. Y also. Let us take 22. So now therefore by taking 22, okay, this implies 2y. 2 into y. Next take 22. xy. 22 only you take. 2 11s are. That's all. Further no. Therefore 22xy can be written as what? 2 into 11 into y. No, x is there, no. So therefore x into y into y. 22 factorize that to 11s are. Now therefore this implies 2 common. What about y? Yes. Therefore, what about common factor now? 2 say y. Thus 2y is the common factor between 2y and 22xy. Like that, children, you find the remaining also. Okay, just do at home, practice at home. Children, in the first sum, all were monomials. Now we shall take binomials. Okay, 7x minus 42. 7x minus 42. We have to take the common factor. You know how to take the common factor? Take 7x. 7x is 7 into x. 42 can be further factorized. 2 into 21. 3 into 7. Therefore, 42 can be written as 7 into 3 into 2. Hence, what is the common factor now between 7x and 42? Means only 7. That common factor you write here. Okay, next. Take now first term 7x, divide by this 7. 7 ones are, or even just ignore this one. 7 ones are. Hence it goes by 7. Okay, children. Therefore 7 ones are. Put that 1 into x minus, take 42. 7 6 are 42. 7 ones are 7, like that. Here take that 6. This is how we expressed the given binomial in terms of what? Product of two terms. 7 into 1x minus 6. 7 is a factor. 1x, when it is 1x, no need to write that one, it is understood. X minus 6. Okay, these are the two irreducible factor. 7, if you multiply this and this, 100% you will get what? 7x minus 42. 7 into x. 7 into 6. 42 plus into minus minus. This is what we say factorization of binomial by taking the common factor. Let us take one more. The second one, 6p minus 12q. Okay, when the numbers are very simple, each time no need to do this rough work. Okay, if you can, take directly. Okay, how that would be? See here in both we have 6p, 6 into 2, therefore that much is enough. Directly it can be. If you have any doubt, then go for rough work. Okay, what is the common factor now? 6. Take 6 out. 6 ones are, 6 twos are, and the cube. 6 into p, 6p, 6 twos are 12 into q, plus into minus, minus 12q. This is how we can factorize the given binomial by taking the common factor. Look at one more. 7a square plus 14a. What is the common? 7. What about a square and a? A is common. Is a square common? No. Why? A square contains a. But what about a? A does not have a square. So that's why in these two, a is common. 7 and 14. 7 is common. Any doubt? Just try. That you know. Okay. Now you divide. 7 get cancelled. 1a get cancelled. A. Or go for this division process. Next, 7 twos are, just you say that 7 table like that. 7 twos are 14. Okay, children. Now 7 into 1, 7. A into a square. Law of indices, a power m into a power n. A power m plus n. Then 7 twos are 14a. So thus we can write the given binomials in terms of products. The way of writing this product we say what? Factorization. Okay. Similarly, you try the fourth and fifth. Okay. Now we shall take the third one. Yes, children. Now in this third one, 4 terms are given. So in case of 4 terms, by grouping them into 2 can be factorized. Okay, here there are 4 terms. When more number of terms, it is better start with GE. Okay, now before we put grouping them, first you check whether there is common factor in both the groups. If you take x out, inside we will have x plus y. Here 8 as common, inside we will have x plus y. Hence, now we can group these two together in one group and 8x plus 8y. So this is the first step in case of 4 terms. Next you take common factor. We know common factor is x now. When x comes out, 1x get cancelled. 1x get cancelled plus common 8. Then x plus y. This is what we expect. So this is how when you group, see that we must get within the bracket same factors. If not, then we have to rearrange. Now what is the common in these two means? It is x plus y. Okay, when x plus y is taken, when you divide this by this, we get x plus divide this, we get what? 8. So thus x plus y get cancelled. X plus y into x plus 8 are the factors of given expression. Okay children, see once again, group them. Okay, while you grouping, see that within the bracket you must get same factor. Then in the next step, take that as the common factor. Then these two what get cancelled? X, again x, y plus, we have plus here. Now we shall take second sum. 15xy. Okay children, we shall start with GE only. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Just you check whether the first two are suitable. What is the common? 15 and 6 means 5 into 3, 3 into 2, therefore 3 is common. When 3 is common, it goes 5, okay, 3x of course. Then 5y, here what will be, this one means when 3x comes out, 5y, 2. What about here? 5y, 2. Okay, then just let us try. What is the common? 15 means 3 into 5. 6 means 3 into 2. Hence 3 is common. And x is common. 3 5s are. And y. Because x and x get cancelled, 3 5s are. Next, minus what? 3 2s are. If you multiply, check once. 3 5s are 15. X into here, or this one, x into y. Therefore, 15xy. 3x into 2, 6x plus. What is the common? When no common factor means that 1 we have to take, consider as common. 1 into 5y, 1 into 2, thus it comes 5y minus 2 into 3x plus 1. So thus the factors of the given expression are 5y minus 2 and 3x plus y. Since here we are asked factorize. So this is how we can write the given expression in terms of two products. That means two factors. Okay children, these you try at home. Okay, therefore today we have discussed some basic terms and we have factorized some simple problems. In the next class, we will take some more problems. Thank you children.